here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun, super quick spring/summer haul for you guys. The weather has changed pretty quickly where I live, and all of a sudden spring is here and I could not be happier. I realized my son did not have a single pair of shorts in his little wardrobe, so I went to the mall this weekend. I went to Old Navy and Gap, and we spent about $100, and I want to show you guys what I got. This hopefully will be a good start for him for the spring/summertime, and we got a bunch of shorts, shirts, bathing suits, all that kind of stuff. So let me get into the haul, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a Jewish mom and minimalism with kids, so definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel down below to see more. Okay, so first of all, Old Navy, that's where we got the most stuff. We have a few trips coming up this summer, and there's lots of like water play and stuff like that at my son's school. So I started off with bathing suits. And I'll tell you guys the prices for everything, but Old Navy was having 50% off this weekend, which I think they do pretty often, and like a bunch of store coupons and stuff like that. So that's how we got all this stuff for just about $100. Okay, so this bathing suit, adorable. This is full price, $12.99, and I like that it has the UPF protection, UPF, you know, UV rays, all that stuff built into the fabric, so that's really nice. And then to go with it, I got two tops. I'm from LA, California, so anything that has Cali on it or anything like that definitely speaks to me. And then this shirt as well, and these both also have the like UPF protection in them, and they are also originally $12.99 each. Then I got my son this adorable California hat, originally $10.99, and then I was only going to get him this one hat, but in the store he was playing around with this Superman hat and refused to take it off, and I was like, well, if he loves it that much, let's get it. And this also, I believe, was $10.99 originally. And then also for summer water play, I got him two pairs of water shoes. These ones are kind of like the Croc style plastic. I love the style of these. They're so cute. These are originally $14.99, and then these ones are more like serious water play, and these are $16.99 originally. I will say they are obviously not like the best, most supportive shoe for your little toddler, but this is just for like, you know, quick water play kind of stuff to protect his feet. He's not really ready for flip-flops yet, so yeah, just some good summer sandal shoes that can get wet. Okay, and then t-shirts at Old Navy. I got him this little, so cute, this little tank top was $10.99 originally. And then my husband loves Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, so when we saw this one, we added it to our little haul, and this was $12.99 originally. And then lastly from Old Navy, they had a bunch of like shorts. I just got him a plain pair for school, and these were $12.99. These are just cotton, very loose, comfy, and cool. So yeah, just these little pair. That is everything I got from Old Navy. And then on to Gap. This is probably my favorite thing I bought in this whole haul. Look how cute this is. So because my son's like officially a toddler and not a baby now, I definitely miss some of those baby clothing items. But this is one I thought would still be good for him in the summer, this little romper. So cute. Also, everything at Gap was 50% off. This was originally $19.95. And then I really like the cotton at Gap. I find their clothes wash so well and wear so well. So I just picked up 3 t-shirts for my son. The first one is this little, I like that it has just some nice details, the little collar, v-neck, and the pocket. So this one, the blue stripes. And I got in the same shirt in white with like some bright color stripes. Again, it's just got like the cute pocket and v-neck details. And then this is my last shirt, another favorite. Look how cute this is. Little T-Rex dinosaur. I just love the colors. It's so like nice for spring, so colorful. So that is everything I got for my son for spring and summer. I hope you guys are found some good ideas if you're doing some clothes shopping as the seasons are changing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!